All right, we're back with another video. It is Taco Tuesday, but I have a spin on it. I'm doing quesadilla casserole. So, all right, so I'm doing quesadilla casserole. I have my taco seasoning. I have some sazon. I put some Rotel, a little bit of water, and some chicken broth. And this is quesadilla casserole. You can see I already have my meat going. I'm going to grind this down. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is quesadilla casserole. So I'm going to put the layer of it's almost like you're doing lasagna, but I'm going to put some tortillas at the bottom. I'm going to put tortillas and cheese. Alright, so here's the cheese, and you can layer it as much as you want. But I'm going to put a little bit more cheese, and you can add as many layers as you want. You can put different kind of cheeses. Alright, so here is my quesadilla casserole before it goes into the oven. Quick and easy. Alright, I'm about to make a lemon drop, no alcohol. So this is almost like a mocktail. So I have my lemons cup, a lemonade, some pomegranate squeezers, some lemonade, and grenadine. Again, this is a no alcohol mocktail. Alright, so I got my lemonade. Here's the lemonade. I'm going to pour it in there. Try not to make a mess. So this is the lemonade. Pour a little bit of, just not a lot. I'm going to pour some pomegranate. Going to do a little bit of cherry grenadine. I got my straw.